Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to clean up your iPhone storage with iSunshare iPhone Cleaner. iSunshare iDevice Genius is a professional iPhone storage cleaner that can help free up space on the iPhone in minutes. It can help to make your iPhone run faster with simple click. Part 1. Clean up junk files to free up space on iPhone. First of all, iTunes should be installed on your computer. Then open the software. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust to continue. iDevice Genius detects your iPhone. It shows on the Fast Cleanup interface by default. Now hit the Scan button. Well, now you can see how much storage space you can release. Just click the Clean button one by one to release space. Take crash logs as an example. Hit the Clean button. Then click Yes to confirm. In no time, the success prompt shows, and the operation is successfully finished. Part 2. Backup and delete pictures and large files. Option 1. Manage the pictures or photos. Click the Scan button. Wait for minutes and then go to the Pictures section. Click the Clean button. Wow, you can check all the photos on your iPhone. Also, you can classify the photos by year, month, or day. To view the picture details, double-click the selected picture. After that, you can check the pictures, and click the Export button to back up the pictures on your PC. Okay, you can click Yes to view the pictures on your computer. Now select the unwanted pictures and click the Delete button. Confirm your action. Well done, you have successfully released storage space on your iPhone. Option 1. Export and delete large files. After scanning, you can go to the Large Files section. Click the Clean button. Then the software will scan and list all files that are over 5 megabytes on your iPhone here. You can click the Export button behind the file to export it. See, the large file is successfully exported. To export several files, you can check them and click the Export button. Set the destination folder to save the files. Well done, the files are exported successfully. After that, you can check the unwanted large files and click the Delete button. Okay, You have successfully cleared the large files. Part 3. Remove the unused applications from iPhone. Open the software, and select the Uninstall option on the left menu. Then click the Scan button. Here, you can choose the app and click the Uninstall button. OK, you successfully uninstall the app to free up iPhone space. That's all for the video.